I'm Rita. I've just finished the 7-day Amazon retreat with Arkana. I came here with some expectations based on what I saw and read on the internet, and it hasn't been anything like that, but it's been way better. I think everybody comes here with their own unique set of wishes or things that they want to do to help and heal themselves, and each person's journey is going to be so different. For me, coming here was just about sorting out my life's direction, always just not being quite happy with where I was in life, and just not sure of the journey that I was on, and knowing that it wasn't right but not knowing how to fix it, and always being stuck in the traps of normal daily life. So I've come here, and this experience has changed me completely. I think there is a body, mind and spirit healing that happens in this place. It's not just the ayahuasca, it's the companionship that you get from the other people doing the ayahuasca as well, because everybody who comes here with all of their own issues as well, and you get the opportunity to really interact with those people and share your thoughts and feelings. And I think we've said it over the past few days that you are surrounding yourself with people who are feeding your soul, and every day you have these really great conversations that end up clarifying you and boosting all of your thoughts and feelings and encouraging you. And it's just been so nice to be around people who just really listen to you and really love you and really care about you and your growth and your happiness and your journey that you've come on. I think for me personally, the ayahuasca itself has been a physically healing journey, in that it works without me knowing, and there is a comfort in it. I feel so cleansed, I feel so clean on the inside, I feel so energized with my new path that I've been given. There's also a spiritual growth that takes place here, in that I have been able to personally identify my life's purpose through being here and having the interaction with everybody here, the facilitators, the staff. Everybody that you run into here is just there to help you, and it's really worked for me in ways that you can't even describe. And I think whilst you're still here in the situation, the complete ramifications of what's been happening here are not going to become apparent until after you leave and after you start putting all of these things into practice, which I believe is integration. And I'm really looking forward to that, because it can get overwhelming, especially all these changes that you're going to be making to yourself. But it's exciting, and it's really exciting, and you know that you're on the right path, so there's no need to sway or to doubt, and that's something that I'm learning today. So, excuse me, mozzies. If you are thinking about doing a retreat and you're just not sure, just press the book now button. Stop right now and just press that book now button. If you are thinking about it, it's right for you. It would be of great benefit to this world if everybody did this. You need in your life to be in a situation of love and compassion and kindness and caring at least once. And even if ayahuasca doesn't turn out to be a life-changing revelation for you, the healing that you get from just being here is going to be enough for you to think that you couldn't have spent your money any better way. So book it now.